Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can use cards in Monday.com. So cards are basically used to add all of your items or tasks in one place. So to add a card in a board, it is very simple. All you have to do is press these three dots called options, and here you have to go to board power-ups, which is the first option, and you have to select board views. Here you get a bunch of options. You have to scroll down and you have to search for cards, and then you have to press open in board button. And guys, as you can see, it has added the cards in our board. So in this context board, it has created a main table which was already there, and then it created these cards. Here we can create different cards. We can like for different people or whatever. We can manage different tasks here. We can view all of our items information here. And so this is how you use a card in Monday.com, or a bunch of cards. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.